Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to mute a username on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature is really useful if you want to stop seeing posts or mentions from a specific account without blocking or unfollowing them. Let's get started. First, open X on your browser by going to x.com and signing into your account. Once you're on your main feed, look to the left sidebar and click on the More icon. This will open a small menu with several options. From the list, click on Settings and Privacy. Then, under that section, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can find all the tools that control how you interact with other users and manage what you see on your timeline. Next, select the option called Mute and Block. This section includes the features for blocking accounts, managing muted words, and muting notifications. Here, click on Muted Words. You'll now see a list of any muted words or phrases you've added before. To mute a new username, click on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. A new window will appear where you can enter what you'd like to mute. In the text field, type the username you want to mute, and be sure to include the @ symbol before the name. For example, if you want to mute @example, type it exactly like that. Next, fill out the fields below. You can choose where to mute the username from, such as your home timeline or notifications. You can also decide how long the mute will last, from 24 hours to forever, depending on your preference. Once you've finished setting everything up, click on Save. That's it. Your selected username is now muted. You won't see their posts or be notified about their mentions anymore, making your feed much cleaner and more focused on what you actually want to see. And that's how you mute a username on X using the web version on your PC after the new update. Thanks for watching.